To create secure folder to hide your media files, apps, and data in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Scroll down the screen. Tap more security setting. And then select secure folder. Tap continue on the welcome page of the secure folder. In this permission page, you can read what are the permissions needed by the secure folder. Tap continue to start creating a secure folder. A pop-up menu will appear to ask you to set a pattern, PIN, or password to access your secure folder. Tap done button to continue. As the example, we will select password. Type your new password for your secure folder. Tap continue. Re-enter your password to confirm it. And then tap OK. A pop-up menu will appear to ask you to turn on reset with Samsung account. If you turn this option on when you forget your secure folder lock, you can reset it by using your Samsung account. Given to its function, it would be better to turn this option on. To do so, tap turn on. Now, tap next to go to your secure folder. A secure folder has been created and a shortcut for it will be added to your app screen. Now, with the secure folder, you can store all the photos, videos, files, apps, and data that you want to keep private. If needed, you can close and lock your secure folder anytime you need. To do so, tap the three dot icon or more icon, and then select lock and exit. As a note, each time your screen is locked, your phone will automatically lock your secure folder too, which means you need to enter your secure folder lock type to access what you have inside the secure folder. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.